Hey guys, in this video I'll teach you how to download and install MySQL in macOS, right? So it is as simple as buttering up bread. So open up your browser, search for MySQL. So I just searched MySQL here, and hopefully you will see the first link which is of mysql.com, and this is the first link which is of mysql.com. So here we will just click on the download section, and we will download the community section, not community version, not the enterprise one, because community version is the one which we have available for free. So I have downloaded for you guys earlier, but I'll teach you how to download. Just click on that, and then you have to select the operating system. Let it be Mac OS. I'm using right now Mac OS, so I'll be downloading this one, right? Just click on the download. You will be redirected to the different page, and you have to click on the no thanks, just start my download, because it does not require any login or sign up, right? So just click on this and you will get a downloading progress. So I have downloaded for you guys. So here it is, this one, MySQL 8.0.22 macOS, which is of 421 MB. Next we have the MySQL. Let me just type once again, MySQL Workbench. So we have to download MySQL Workbench as well. So we will download the community version. So what I'll be doing is I'll just click on that. It is available for community downloads. Again, I'll select my operating system. Let it be Mac OS. And again, I click on the download, and it will redirect me to the different page. And again, we have to follow the same procedure. Next, we have the MySQL. Next step is to open the MySQL. So I'll just install this and let you know how much time will it take. So it is verifying MySQL. Alright, so it is opening mysql.dmg. So we have to double click on it and then continue. Alright, continue, agree. Installation type, installation, preparing for installer. Alright, so validating packages, writing files. Here we will select the use of strong password encryption. So I'll just select my password here. Okay, so my password is typed. So I'll just select finish, and then we will just continue with the fingerprint, and then we can see performing initial database setup. And yes, we got the installation message. Thank you for installing MySQL server. Next we will install the, let's move to bin. Next we have to install MySQL Workbench. Alright, what we have to do is we have to move it to the applications. So it will take some time, and alright, what we have to do is we just have to press command and spacebar. Okay, command spacebar. So here we will type MySQL Workbench. So we have to click on it. Alright, it is showing us the error because we have downloaded from the Safari from the unknown source. So what we have to do is we have to go into the system preferences, and then we have to go in security and privacy. Then we have to unlock this. Alright, so I'll be using in general, and then app store identified, MySQL open anyway. So we have this open. Alright, so it is working fine now. Yeah, it is working fine now. So here you can see the local host as well, the connection as well. So that's it. If you like this video, you can Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates, and for sure, if you like this video, then hit the like button. Meet you in the next video. Till the time, bye bye, take care.